The best-selling electric bike in India right now is Revolt RV400 due to its sporty look design and 8 years of warranty on its battery pack. But after the launch of Vola electric scooter, people are in a dilemma whether to go for RV400 or Vola S1 Pro. So let's compare these two electric two-wheelers and find the best one. Firstly, the certified range of these two electric two-wheelers. Vola S1 Pro IDC range is 181 kilometers, whereas Revolt RV400 ARAA range is 156 kilometers. Now, Vola S1 Pro real range should be lies between 140 to 150 kilometers, whereas Revolt RV400 real range is also 140 to 150 kilometers. Vola S1 Pro motor continuous power is 5.5 kilowatts, whereas Revolt RV400, the motor continuous power is 3 kilowatts. The peak power of Vola S1 Pro is 8.5 kilowatts, whereas 5 kilowatts for Revolt RV400. The battery capacity of Vola S1 Pro is 3.97 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion, which is a fixed battery pack, whereas Revolt RV400, the battery capacity is 3.24 kilowatt-hour, which is removable. Now coming to the charging time, Vola S1 Pro can be fully charged in 6 hours 30 minutes, whereas the charging time of Revolt RV400 is 4.5 hours. Now coming to fast charging, Vola S1 Pro supports fast charging where it can give 75 kilometers of range in 18 minutes, whereas Revolt RV400 doesn't support fast charging. Now coming to the top speed of these two electric two-wheelers, Vola S1 Pro has a top speed of 115 km per hour, whereas Revolt RV400, the top speed is 85 km per hour. And now coming to the drive type, Vola S1 Pro works with a belt drive motor, whereas Revolt RV400 also works with a belt drive motor. And both these electric scooters supports keyless entry. In terms of reverse mode, Vola S1 Pro supports reverse mode, whereas Revolt RV400 doesn't comes with a reverse mode option. In terms of braking, both Vola S1 Pro and Revolt RV400 comes with CBS. In terms of artificial sound systems, Vola electric scooter offering multiple sound systems and Revolt RV400 is also offering 4 artificial sounds. And now coming to the connectivity, both these electric two-wheelers works with 4G connectivity. In terms of riding modes, Vola S1 Pro has 3 ride modes: normal, sport and hyper, whereas Revolt RV400 has eco, normal and sports. And coming to the dashboard, Vola S1 Pro electric scooter has a 7-inch touchscreen dashboard, whereas Revolt RV400 comes with a basic digital screen. And now coming to the battery warranty, Vola S1 Pro is offering 3 years of battery warranty, whereas Revolt RV400 is offering 8 years or 1,50,000 kilometers of battery warranty. And whereas the vehicle warranty, Vola S1 Pro is offering 3 years or 40,000 kilometers warranty on its vehicle, whereas Revolt RV400 is offering 5 years or 75,000 kilometers on its electric bike. And finally, the pricing of Vola S1 Pro and Revolt RV400. The price of Vola S1 Pro is 1,29,999 rupees, whereas the ex-showroom price of Revolt RV400 is 1,18,999 rupees. And now coming to the features, Vola is offering more number of features like hill assist, cruise control, GPS navigation, music system, internal computer with its own operating system and a customizable user interface. On the other side, Revolt Motors offering geofencing and Find My Bike features. So after a complete comparison, Vola S1 Pro is best suitable for people who need more features, more top speed, fast charging and can be used as a family vehicle. Whereas Revolt RV400 is best suitable for people who needs a detachable battery pack, more warranty of 8 years and also sports bike design. So viewers, comment your favorite electric two-wheeler out of these two, Vola S1 Pro or Revolt RV400. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please do subscribe to Electric Vehicles channel. Go green, go electric.